All right, let's look at question 8 November 2021, grade 11. It was an exponent question. Consider the function. Yeah, I think here they were meant to say consider the function of f of x 3 times 2 to the power of x minus 6. And then first thing first, there they said calculate 8.1 said calculate the y-intercept. Okay, 8.1. We need to get the y-intercept. We get the y-intercept when x is equals to 0. Okay, so we're gonna come to our we get the y-intercept when x is equals to 0. So therefore we're gonna come here and say x is equals to 0, 3 times 2 to the power of 0, because x is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equals to 1, so it's gonna be 3 times 1 minus 6. Therefore 3 times 1 is going to be 3, and then minus 6. 3 minus 6 is going to be minus 3. So therefore that's our y-intercept for this function. And then 8.2 says calculate the x-intercept. So x-inter, we get it when y is equal to 0. So in this case f of x will therefore, sorry about that guys, f of x is going to be equal to 0. Okay, so therefore it's going to be 0 is equals to 3.3 times 2 to the power of x minus 6. Okay, great stuff. So now we're going to take 6 to the other side. It's going to give us positive 6 is equals to 3. 2 is equals to 3. 2 to the power of x divided by 3 divided by 3, close brackets. Therefore it's going to be 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2 is equal to 2 to the power of x. We know that this is also 2 to the power of 1. Therefore the bases are the same, therefore the exponent will also be equal, which gives us x is equals to 1. All right, now let's come here. It says that 8.3 it says that sketch the graph of f, clearly show all asymptotes and indicate and intercept with x's. Okay, let's come here and sketch our graph. There you go there. Okay, we know that this is the line of asymptotes. This is -6, which is equals to q. So I'm gonna put it here. -6 will be here. There you go. That's -6 there. This is the y-axis, and then this is the x-axis. So now we need a different color now to show our x-intercept and the y-intercept and sketch the function. So therefore our y-intercept is equals to -3, which is somewhere here halfway, -3. And therefore our y-intercept is equals to 1 is there. So okay, our a value is positive, so therefore our function would look something like this, guys. Just gonna plot it there. There you go. And this is the equation of f, and that's how you would deal with that one. So therefore it's easy, simple, straightforward. 8.4, it says that write down the range of them. I always say when it comes to exponent function, they are very easy to calculate. The range is just going to be anything that is greater than the line of asymptote. So y is greater than the line of asymptote, which is -6. That would be our range. Easy and straightforward, guys. When it comes to exponent, please make sure that you know with exponent function, a range of any exponent function will just have to be that y greater than the line of asymptotes. Okay, and that's how you would deal with a question like this one. I am Gaston Mapala. Please make sure that I see you on the next upload, where we'll be doing question 8 November 2020.